Please think, what if clean air disappeared?
Air pollution is not just an environmental issue. It's a public health crisis that affects every one of us. Imagine a future where clean air is a luxury, something only the wealthy can afford. In 2050, that could be our reality if we don't take action now. Right now, major cities around the world are grappling with dangerously poor air quality. In places like Los Angeles, Beijing, and New Delhi, smog hangs thick in the air, and breathing it in is like inhaling a cocktail of toxic chemicals. The sources of this pollution are all around us: vehicle emissions, industrial waste, and even household products. Each of these contributes to a toxic atmosphere that can lead to serious health issues, from respiratory diseases to heart problems. The science behind air pollution is alarming. Fine particulate matter, known as PM 2.5, can penetrate deep into our lungs and even enter our bloodstream. Studies show that long-term exposure can shorten life expectancy and increase the risk of chronic illnesses. It's not just about the air we breathe, it's about the climate we live in. Air pollution contributes to climate change, creating a vicious cycle that threatens our planet's future. But it's not too late. There are solutions within our reach. Transitioning to renewable energy sources like solar and wind can significantly reduce emissions. Investing in public transportation and promoting electric vehicles can help clear the air in our cities. Simple actions like reducing waste and supporting local, sustainable businesses can also make a difference. We all have a right to clean air. It's a fundamental part of our health and well-being. Imagine a world where children can play outside without the risk of inhaling harmful pollutants. Picture cities filled with greenery, where the air is fresh and the skies are clear. This vision can become a reality if we act now. Let's advocate for policies that prioritize air quality and hold corporations accountable for their emissions. Let's educate ourselves and our communities about the importance of clean air. Together, we can create a future where clean air is not a luxury, but a basic human right. The time to act is now. Our health, our planet, and our future depend on it.